here is a close look at these microfiber kitchen towels. This is the set gray. It comes in a pack of 8. So here we've got this white one, and over there I'll show you closer in a second, but there's the gray one. So these towels are super pretty. I love the microfiber as well. It's very functional, has a nice feel in your hand. We've also had them for several months and the color hasn't faded on either of them, especially on that gray one. It stayed a nice, sleek, solid color like that. Very pretty. I'll give you a peek at the tag down here. Voila. So these are some very nice kitchen towels if you're looking for something to have in your kitchen for cleaning up messes or just picking up water. They don't come with hooks, but as you can see, we've just got this one hanging here on the oven and the other one over here. I'll give you a closer look real quick. This one is just hanging off of one of our cabinets. Works very well. Again, you'll get a pack of 8. This is the gray set, and would highly recommend them if you're looking for some nice microfiber kitchen towels that feel good in your hand and are very functional.